Before operation, please notice these 4 items. First, the PC configuration should be equal to or higher than Win 7. It is not support Win XP. Second, before connecting PC with C6, the LEDVision software setting should be under I-Series mode, and the screen management should be under C-Series playbox. Third, after setting this on software, it is very important to connect the C6 with PC before powering C6 on. Fourth, when connecting C6 with PC for the first time, the PC must connect to network. For that, the PC could install the C6 driver. C6 User Manual. The first part is parameter setting. The second part is Zen content editing and sync playing. The third part is network management of C6. Parameter settings include 3 sections: connection settings, basic settings, and advanced settings. Let's look at the first section, connection settings. Double-click LEDVision, click Control Menu, and select Screen Control. Select C-Series Playbox and input the password 168 to enter the parameter setting interface. Use a standard USB cable to connect C6 to computer when C6 is powered on. One side to connect USB port, another side for C6 config port. Click Publish Program to C-Series Playboxes. Select Direct USB and right-click, refresh. Then C6 will appear. You can click C6 for parameter settings. The second section, Basic Settings. Here is the Playbox time. You can click the right button for time setting. Click Modify. You can set up day and time. Or the time zone as well. Click Apply to finish setting. The running time indicates the total running time once C6 is powered on. As for the capacity and remain, you can view memory utilization here. Click Alarm Setting to set wake up and sleeping time, which work once checked. Here includes some operations on C6 sandbox like power on, sleep, and restart once clicked. Use the drop-down menu to play programs. In the program management, you can check, delete, choose program, and more. The third section, Advanced Settings. Click More and input password 168 to enter the Advanced Setting interface. The width and height you import must be equal to or slightly larger than the actual screen resolution. System default every frame. Choosing every other frame can help avoid lag when image loading area is too large. Then select Custom in Control Area and modify the values according to your network interface control area. Click Apply to complete setting. Check Wi-Fi in Network tab. And import your Wi-Fi login information for network name and password. Click Apply and then refresh to complete settings. You can check connection status by clicking Details. Check Wi-Fi hotspot. And then import your network name and password to use the Wi-Fi hotspot. You can select 2.4G or 5G for CDMA mode. 5G mode will be faster and more reliable if both smartphone and computer support 5G Wi-Fi. There are 14 channels so as to avoid network overload. Check cable. You have two choices. The first one is System Default. Automatically obtain an IP address. The second is Use a specific IP address. You need to enter information for IP, subnet mask, and gateway. Then connect C6 LAN port to the router. Click Detail. You can view network connection information like connection status, MAC address, IP, and subnet mask. Part 2. Async content editing and sync playing. Let's look at the first section, Async content editing. Right-click LEDVision 1 to add the normal page. Then add file window by right-clicking normal page 1. Right-click file window 1 to add images and other contents. The second section is Async contents publishing. Firstly, publish contents through direct USB. Select the program page that you are going to publish. Click C6 and then right-click to choose Publish the current program to the selected play box. You must rename the content. Allow it to finish uploading to fully publish your program. Secondly, contents publishing through USB stick. To begin publishing through USB, first insert your USB stick to the PC USB port. Please note that USB stick should be empty before publishing for best performance. Remove previous updated contents before using it to update or play new contents, so as to avoid any problems. It will auto-identify USB stick when set up USB stick parameters. Click Use to choose your USB drive. Play program from USB stick. Autoplay USB stick contents after inserting to C6. The content won't be stored in C6. Upload program from USB stick. Autoplay USB stick content after inserting to C6. The content will be stored in C6. Select Play program from USB driver. Select the drive ladder under USB stick group. Then right-click to choose Publish the current program to the selected disk. You must rename the content. Allow it to finish uploading to fully publish your program. After publishing program successfully, insert USB stick into C6 USB port. The third section is Sync Contents Playing. In Sync Play, your C6 plays content sent to its HDMI port by an external source like your PC. Please note that C6 will automatically switch to play sync signal content when an external HDMI signal input is detected. You can press Input Switch button to return a sync signal content playing. The final part is Network Management of C6. This part includes two sections. The first one is Connection and Management. The second section is Add Group and C6. Let's look at the first section, Connection and Management. Connect C6 to network through Wi-Fi or LAN port. After C6 and the controlled end like PC, smartphone, or other device are connected into same LAN. Disconnect USB cable. Select LAN, then right-click Refresh. LEDVision will auto-identify C6 and place C6 into default group. Then you can manage your C6 under default group. As for Add Group and C6, select LAN and then right-click to choose Add Group. Select any Playbox group and right-click to choose Manually Add Playbox. Then input C6 corresponding IP. That is the end of C6 user manual.